Hello, today we will guide you through how to analyze images with Claude AI. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Claude AI login page. If you're searching for it online, look for the official Claude sign-in page so you land in the right place. This is the starting point for accessing the tool and working with image analysis features. Once you're there, click the sign-in option and log into your account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up first before continuing. Make sure you complete the login process successfully, since you'll need to be inside the Claude workspace to upload and analyze images. After signing in, look to the menu on the left side of the screen and click New Chat. This opens a fresh conversation, which gives you a clean space to upload your image and ask Claude to analyze it. Starting a new chat can also help keep your request organized and easier to review. Next, find the plus icon near the message area. This is the upload option. Click it to begin adding an image to your conversation. When the upload menu appears, choose Add Files or Photos. Then select the image you want Claude to review from your device. It's a good idea to wait until the image is fully attached before moving on, so Claude has everything it needs to process your request correctly. With the image uploaded, click into the text box and type what you want to know about the image. For example, you can ask Claude to describe the image, analyze what's happening in it, identify objects, summarize visual details, or explain important elements. The clearer your prompt is, the more useful the response will usually be. If you want a certain kind of analysis, such as a detailed description or a general overview, say that directly in your message. Once your prompt is ready, look to the right side of the text box for the arrow up button. Click that button to send your image and prompt to Claude. This tells the system to begin generating its response based on both the uploaded image and your written request. After that, simply wait for the results. Claude will process the image and return its analysis in the chat. Depending on the image and your request, this may take a moment. When the response appears, you can read through the results and decide whether you want to ask a follow-up question in the same chat for more detail. And that's how to analyze images with Claude AI.